how it is happening, how definitive clot is formed. But now I will say that there are two factor or two pathway. One is intrinsic pathway, other is extrinsic pathway, doctor. Just to remember intrinsic pathway, people used to forget the table, how it start from 12, then 11, then 9, then 8, then 5, then 2, then 1. It is going like that. In the extrinsic, factor 7 and then factor, you can see that it is merging into factor 10, 5, 2, 1. 2 is what? Prothrombin and 1 is fibrinogen. Okay, how to remember this? I used to remember like that. Someone told me that I got to purchase a fan. Then he said, this is fan of the $12. It will cost $12. But you said, but MRP is 11.98. So, okay, take this fan with the MRP. So, first he asked for $12. Then you say it is 11.98. So, okay, give me 11.98 or okay, give me $10 only and take this fan. You said, no, it is very costly. I will not take. You are a pure Indian. You keep on bargaining. Say, okay, give me just $10. No, it's costly. I cannot take. Then he said, okay, just give me half of $10 and take this fan. From morning I am sitting to sell this. No one is there. So, okay, he said, okay, just give me $5. Okay, half of that, $5. Even you are not counseled. You say, no, it's costly. Then he said, okay, give me $2 and get this fan. Just almost half, $2. You say, I will give you $1. I have only $1. Then he said, okay, give me $1 and take this fan. So, 12, 11, 9, 8, 10, 5, 10, 5, 2, 1. Very simple to remember. I hope you will not forget now. So, 12 will be converted into 12A by high molecular weight kinogen kallikrein. You can see here. Can you see this diagram? Can you appreciate this? Can you remember now by the mnemonic? Can you repeat along with me? How many dollars? $12. $12. Then 11.98. Then 10. Then half 5. Then 2 and then 1. Okay. So, in this table you can see till now I have discussed the forest, the outline. What you wanted for clotting. What is the main sentence for clotting? Conversion of fibrinogen into fibrin. You will say, sir, you keep on repeating this. Why? Because medical doctor